Want to go back down 2-0.
And there's a beautiful move there. And David West with a dunk. And that time, the easy dunk.
Well, they may have to think about double teaming. How about this? Kevin.
What a finish by Durant. The final 2:52 of the half. Play a little runner. Let's call it off to JaVale. Very well done.
We finally got one.
To be way more poised, and we also got to give San Antonio some credit. We knew that they would come out that way. And I said, exactly, the Warriors are smart. You know, how are you guys going to respond?
Aldridge has Clay on his switch. All the way out. He drives around the big man right to the rim. Man's out of the perimeter. Go right by him. Green three is long.
Good rebound.
Iguodala running with friends. JaVale running and finishing.
It's a pretty simple formula.
And in the middle of a break. Beautiful bounce pass.
Popovich said before the game, he keeps saying you need some rest all season long. No, he's okay. He looks okay now, doesn't he?
Durant for three.
There's your man.
Make it 11 after that last make. The lob inside. And Iguodala crushes it. So Andre becomes a double figures.